Hello and welcome to Photography with Miss Wilson. My name's Laura Crawford. Miss Wilson is my maiden name, and I created this website many years ago as a resource to share my lessons with my own students. Little did I know that it would become a hub of information and resources for students and teachers around the world. On my website you will find lesson resources, schemes of work, help with writing, links to photographers, links to project ideas, guidance for your essay at A-level. It really does cover every aspect of GCSE and A-level photography. Alongside that, I do have some other resources that you might like to know about. So if you don't already follow me on TikTok, please do go and check out Photo with Miss Wilson. I'm on Instagram as well, and you will see me talking to you about all different aspects of the course. I've had really good feedback that students and teachers have found that really useful. I'm also in the process of developing a YouTube channel where I am doing editing videos to show students exactly how to work in the style of lots of different photographers. But rather than just showing you how to do it, I am talking you through from a teacher's perspective on how you can pick up extra marks. So it's really specific guidance on how to do well. Alongside that, I'm also featuring student portfolios. So I have reached out to lots of students who have happily let me publish their work to showcase all the different grades and at GCSE and A-level, what different projects look like, how they approach their theme, how they approach the exam. I just think you can learn so much from seeing the work from other students. If you would like to be featured, do let me know because I'm always looking for someone else to publish. If you haven't already seen, I have a series of student guidebooks which I've had excellent reviews on so far. Some of them are bestsellers, and they are there to support students with every step of the course, covers the assessment objectives, there's loads of practical guidance, they're full of examples, visuals for students to be inspired by. So those are there for you. So I would highly recommend getting a copy of those if you haven't already. Finally, I also have another website called artyideas.com, which is your answer to everything for the artist research component of your course. So when it comes to finding an artist, talking about them, making sure your analysis is really in depth and relevant, use of appropriate keywords and photographic terminology, the website is there and it's designed specifically to help students with all of those things. I'd love to know what you think about it, so do let me know. I love to connect with the people that use my website, so do drop me a line if you have any questions or comments, and I hope to hear from you soon.